to the Twisted Kitchen with Keto Simple. I'm Granny June, and today we'll be introducing you to some of the most scrumptious keto recipes available. So lean in close and pay attention, dear. Today we are going to be making
roasted Parmesan carrots. The ingredients you'll need for this delicious dish are listed in the description, but as always, we are going to reveal them together. So we're going to need 1 pound of fresh carrots, peeled, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of dried thyme, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Now put on your aprons and let's get started. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 450 degrees. We're going to cut our carrots crosswise in half and then lengthwise into half-inch thick sticks. We're going to toss those carrots with some oil, salt, pepper, and thyme, and we're going to spread evenly in a greased baking pan, whatever you have laying around. Then we're going to roast until tender and lightly brown, stirring once. That usually takes around 12 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to toss with the cheese. And that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just a reminder to hit that good old subscribe button and notification bell for Granny. And remember, keep your aprons ready.